Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors, brought to you by Carolina Cooker. Today, we're gonna do something nice and sweet to finish off the day. We're gonna do a peach cobbler over the campfire. We're gonna use a 4-quart Carolina Cooker Dutch oven, and everything kind of goes into the pot, cover with some more coals, and wait for it to be done. First thing you wanna do is melt a full stick of butter, unsalted, in your Dutch oven. While that's melting, we're gonna mix our peaches with our sugar. And then we've got a cup of Bisquick style mix and 1 cup of just regular whole milk. Mix these guys together. Make sure everything's good and mixed up and nice and smooth. So now that the butter is all melted, the first thing you want to put in is the batter, kind of right in the middle. Careful not to burn yourself. And we're going to go right in with the peaches and sugar mix. And then we're going to go on with our top. It's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes for this to kind of brown up. You can check it about that point. We're going to put some more coals on here. We're going to let it cook. All right, let's go ahead and check this. Oh, that's perfect. As you can see, it's a really easy dish to prepare. You can do it over the campfire, or you can do it in the kitchen. As always, it's great to take wild game in the field, but it's even better to incorporate it into a dish.